Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a KDP coloring book on Canva, and it's pretty simple and to do. I'm not going to use any AI tools and so on for this video, just a simple way to create a book. So first of all, you need to of course know what type of book you want to make. So today I just chose a positive affirmations coloring book for women, and we're gonna create something like that with positive affirmation words on the coloring, like mandala and so on. So I also wrote down on Google positive affirmations, so I would have some of sentences to put on my coloring book. And now to create one, you're gonna go to Canva, create a design, and you can choose the size you want to create your coloring book. So most of them are mostly 8.5 times 11 inches, so you can stick to that too. And now I already uploaded the designs, which I bought on Canva. I have a subscription. They now have a sale for $5 a month, so you can check it out. I will leave the link in the description. And I just wrote down a mandala coloring flowers or something like that. Also, you need to click on print on demand, so you could use it on KDP. And I just downloaded this design from Creative Fabrica. As you can see, they have commercial and full POD license, and I uploaded to Canva. Now you want to choose a design you want, so of course we're gonna use many of those, but I'm gonna choose this one for now, and I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger, but I will leave the borders as the coloring books looks like that. Also, we need to add some border. So if your design is not rectangle, and for example you will make it yourself from the elements in Canva separately, then you will need to use the shapes, and you will add the border to that shape, and basically make the border around this. But what you can do, if you are doing it like me, you can basically click right here, border style, and you basically add some border, and that's it. It's pretty simple to do in Canva. Now as we want to write down positive affirmations, you're gonna go to text, add a heading, and you're gonna write down positive affirmations. So for example, I am confident. So let's write down I am confident. Now we need to make it like a coloring that the person could color it. So first of all, I'm just gonna change the text font. Let's choose this one. Let's make it bigger, and also let's make it spacing smaller. And now you're gonna go to effects, click on outline, make the outline black, and the font should be white, and that's it. That's how you make a coloring text, a text to color for people. And now I'll make the border a little bit slimmer to match the text. You can also make it thicker a little bit, and basically you repeat it. So let's change the design to another one. For example, this one, I just dragged it to, and now I will also add the border. Let's see, it's 8. So let's do it 8 also. And now we're gonna change the text. I am full of joy, for example. I am full of joy. And that's, you can actually change the, here it is. So here are a few pages, and you can create like 50 of those, and then after you will make a, oh, also don't forget to add a white page after every single design, because it will bleed to another site for your customers. And after that, you just basically download it as PDF print, and best for professional printing, choose this one if you have Canva Pro. If not, this one will do its job too. Now for the cover, you want to have a beautiful color design. So this actually is not really possible to do without AI, for example, or some other tools which are paid and so on. So what you can do, you can try and find mandala flowers coloring cover, for example, and maybe we will find it here. Coloring book cover, and maybe we can find something here which is similar. So for example, let's choose this one and download it. As you can see, they have a few covers which are kind of similar to our design, and after that we're just gonna add the wording. For example, I am confident on the top, and yeah, that's how we will do it. For the cover, you don't want to use like inches, you need to do pixels, and to create it with pixels, you can actually try and Google pixels converter or something like that, and you want a 300, a really good quality. But I actually have tangent templates, so I'm just gonna use it for the sake of this video. So for example, there are 100 pages, and let's continue. And now the cover is 2625 and 3375. We can actually look at this, for example, 8.5 inches, 250. Well, it's a little bit different, but I'm just gonna choose the pixels on Canva, and I'm gonna make a cover for our coloring book. So let's copy this text here. Let's go. I just uploaded the design I downloaded from Creative Fabrica. Here's our cover. Now I'm just gonna add that confident font, and we can also color it to any color you like, which actually maybe this one, and here it is. You can also add some, for example, coloring book, flowers coloring book with positive affirmations on the top, and then you duplicate the page, and this is your back cover, and you download it as PNG, and then you will do a PDF in inches. So for example, for this specific book, you will need to do 1748 and 1125 on Canva again, and upload your covers, and then make a cover for your KDP coloring book. So yeah guys, there's no time to explain everything else. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.